Want a quick, effortless makeup look? Watch how I achieve a simple everyday makeup look right after skincare. So the next step is to go in with my foundation, and I'll be using this brush. Ensure you're applying just a little. This is full coverage, so as you can see, that little goes a long way. So the next thing is to go in with my concealer. So I'll be using this concealer from Avor. How do you pronounce it? Just a little. A little goes a long way. Just a little goes a long way. Okay, so I'll just blend. Little goes a long way, remember that. So for that, I'll be using this very small brush here. I will just be brushing it. I don't know, I find it so convenient to use a brush. Okay, I don't know why, but I find it so convenient to use a brush for my makeup, and it does the work for me. Trust me, it does. So for concealer, I'll be using this particular one from Zikel Cosmetics. All right, just 3 dots is okay for me. Then on my nose here, this is the area where I want to conceal. I don't like doing all of this now. I don't want it, so I'll just blend this off right now and we'll be back. So this is all blended out right now. So for my powder, I'll be using this particular powder palette from V. So for my color, I'll be using this one. Most times I use this or I use this, either this or this. So for today, I'm going to be using this warm shade here, chocolate here. I'll be using chocolate. Just have it onto my skin. Make sure you're removing the excess before putting this on your face. So to highlight my under eye, I'll be using this particular one. Okay. I don't want it to be so sharp, or would I say I don't want it to be so white, so just a little will do. Okay guys, this is it. For contour, I'm going to be using the darkest shade here, this particular one, because I want my face to be really snatched. Can you see this? Oh my gosh. Okay, I like this. I love it. I just take whatever is left of my brush or on my brush and just, just dab it onto my nose, because I don't want to, overdo things here. So I'll just dab it onto my nose. I'm sure that you can see the difference now, right? Yeah. I won't be doing anything to my brows. All I will need to do is just to brush it up, and then I'll be using this matte lip gloss from Avor Cosmetics. As you can see, okay, it's quite new. It's been so long I wore makeup, so I'll be using this one. This is the darker shade. I'll use this one for to line my lips. Okay, I won't do anything to my brows because I just want it to be like this. It's a bit full, but I just want it to be like this, nothing serious. So I'll just be using this to line my lips. this is what it looks like. I'll be using this lighter shade of lip gloss from Zickel, right? Yeah, I'll be using this lighter shade of lip gloss from Zickel. All I need to do is just to do this, just apply it into the inner side of my lips. Nothing serious today, just this, you know. And there you have it, my lip combo. Yeah, my natural lips combo. I love it. So the last but not the least is to use this Ceylon setting spray. And all done.